Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import reviews into your Shopify store using the Judge.me app. This is a quick and easy way to get customer feedback onto your store and boost trust. Let's dive in. Judge.me is a popular review app for Shopify. It helps you collect and display customer reviews on your products, which can increase credibility and ultimately sales. Today, I will walk you through how to import reviews from another platform or manually upload them using Just.me. First things first, we need to install Just.me on Shopify store. For that, head over to Shopify admin panel, click on add apps, then visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for Judge.me and click install. Once installed, click launch app to open Judge.me. In your dashboard, you will see the Judge.me dashboard where you can manage your reviews and import them and set up the Judge.me apps. Click start setup and follow the on-screen instructions. If you already have reviews on another platform, Just.me makes it easy to import them. In your Just.me dashboard, click on Settings from the left side menu. Select Import Reviews. Choose your review platform. Just.me supports importing from sites like AliExpress, Etsy, Amazon, and more. Follow the on-screen instructions to import reviews from the selected platform. You will likely need to upload a CSV file or provide access via API depending on the platform. Once the reviews are imported, they will show up on your product pages automatically, complete with the star rating and text. If you don't have reviews on another platform or you just want to manually upload them, you can do that too. In the import reviews section, click on manual import, download the CSV template, fill it. Your customer reviews include columns for product names, review text, star rating, and customer name. Upload the completed CSV file into just.me. This method is great if you have gathered reviews elsewhere or just want to bulk upload multiple reviews at once. Now let's make sure those reviews looks great on your site. Head to the widgets section in just.me. You can optimize how reviews appear on your product pages, change the star color, layout, and whether or not you want to display review photos. Choose where you want the reviews to be shown on the page. Just.me gives you a lot of flexibility to match the review section in your store's design. Once everything's set up, visit one of your one of your product pages, you should now see the reviews live, complete with star ratings and text. Check that everything looks good and make sure customers can see and interact with your reviews easily. And that's it. You have now imported reviews to your Shopify store using just.me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and comment below if you have any questions and Shopify about Shopify or just.me. Thanks for watching.